Now we will see the types of partners. The types of partners are active partner, sleeping partner or dormant partner, nominal partner, partner in profits only, partner by estoppel, partner by holding out, secret partner and minor partner. Now we will see in detail the types of partner. First, active partner. A partner who takes an active part in the conduct of the partnership business is known as an active partner. Though every partner is entitled to manage its affairs, all may not do so. Next type is sleeping partner or dormant partner. Such a partner contributes capital and shares in the profits or losses of the firm but does not take part in the management of the business. He may not be known as a partner to the outsiders, yet he is liable to third parties to an unlimited extent as any other partner. The next type is nominal partner. Such a partner neither contributes any capital nor is he entitled to manage the affairs of the business. He only lends his name to the firm because on the strength of his name and reputation, the firm may attract additional business and raise fund easily. A nominal partner, however, is liable for all the acts and debts of the firm as if he were a real partner, though he does not get any share in the firm's profit. The next type is partner in profits only. When a person joins a firm as a partner on the condition that he is entitled to a specified share of the firm's profit only, he is called a partner in profits only. It means that he will not be called upon to bear any portion of the losses sustained. He will, however, be liable to third parties for all the debts of the firm like any other partner. Such partners usually do not take part in the management of the business. The next type is partner by estoppel. In case a person represents himself or herself by words or actions, or has allowed him to be represented as a partner of the firm, even though he is not a partner, he is called partner by estoppels. Such a partner cannot deny his liability if outside party lends money to the firm, supposing him to be a partner. The next one is partner by holding out. When a person is declared as a partner and he does not deny this even after becoming aware of it, he becomes liable to the third party who lends money or credit to the firm on the basis of such a declaration. The next one is secret partner. A secret partner is one whose association is not known to the general public. Other than this distinct feature, he is like rest of the partners in all respects. The last type is minor partner. Under the Indian Majority Act, person who has not completed 18 years of age is a minor. However, he will continue to be a minor till he completes 21 years if a guardian has been appointed to the minor. He can be admitted to the benefits of partnership. Partnership arises as a result of contract, but a minor has no contractual capacity. Though a partnership cannot be created with a minor as a partner, a minor can be admitted to the benefits of a partnership which is already in existence. The consent of all partners is a must for such admission. Now we will see the registration of partnership or procedure for partnership. The Indian Partnership Act does not make the registration of a partnership compulsory. Registration is optional, but the disabilities of non-registration virtually make it compulsory. The procedure for registration. A statement should be prepared stating the following particulars: name of the firm, the principal place of business, a statement should be prepared stating the following particulars. First one, name of the firm, the principal place of business, name of other places where the firm carried on business, names and addresses of all the partners, the date on which each partner joined the firm, and the last one is the duration of the firm. This statement signed by all the partners should be produced to the registrar of firms along with the necessary registration fees. Any change in the above particulars must be communicated to the registrar within 14 days of such alteration. This is the procedure for registering the partnership.